Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to get my AI on Snapchat. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you want to get my AI on Snapchat, then let me tell you that you have to select your country as a USA and you have to connect with VPN. Okay guys, just simply you have to connect with VPN and just simply you have to select your country as USA, and after that you have to open Snapchat. So once you have opened this guy, just simply you have to tap on your profile. Now after that guys, you have to do another thing. For that you have to tap on Snapchat Plus and just simply you have to subscribe Snapchat Plus, but subscription is not available for me because I'm not selected my country as a USA. I'm not connected with VPN, that's why it's not showing for me. So guys, if the subscription is not available, then you have to log in your account in iPhone and there you can easily subscribe Snapchat Plus. So let me tell you that if you want to get my AI on Snapchat, then you have to subscribe Snapchat Plus and then you have to select your country as USA. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.